Hello everyone. So my last video I was talking about my end of year projects, but it turns out I had a few more I wanted to do before the end of the year. One of the things I wanted to do was add a either a splitter or a lip to this car, and on the journey sedans, it's very hard to find any really out there. If you do find one, you're probably looking to drop anywhere between on the low end 300 and upper end maybe 600. I found this bumper on eBay for, not bumper, but bumper lip for like 80 bucks. And I ended up trying first, I painted it with a plastic dip. I didn't like the texture, just kind of gave way too easily by any type of little bump or anything. So I ended up leaving it just sanded. It took definitely some heat and patience to bend it back into shape from shipping, and I added some lower and upper support to it. So you can see the tie rods, those are aftermarket. I bought those on Amazon. They were about 60 bucks, almost as much as a bumper, but I think it makes it look pretty good. It also helps with keeping it level. So if I go down here a little further, you can see it's not too bad. It might be okay, some room for improvement, but overall it's looking pretty good. Under here, you can see the supports I've added to it. This is more because of I plan on doing some more drag racing later on, and it's very important to have the additional support there as well underneath to keep it from moving around. So I made those brackets. They were a pain to do. Just took a lot of patience. Some of the other things, I did get my bumper repainted. Hit a tire last year, jacked it up pretty good, but I think I already mentioned that. But yeah, looks overall front end's got a little bit of overhaul. The other thing I did was added some catch cans. So I ordered these earlier this week. They're ADD W7s. It's a kit, and they're pretty nice. When I got the box, they're boxed very well. They came with all the hoses. It came with a bracket, it came with instructions, and it came with all the hardware essentially to do it. It's not a direct fit if you want to keep your engine cover. My engine cover happens to be modified. That's another thing I've done, is that cover has been raised an inch, and now it covers up all the nitrous, so you can't see any of the nitrous solenoids or the wiring up close. It's got a pretty good sleeper look to it. When I went to the track earlier this week, the only people could no one really could tell in the track. One of the techs did notice, but the guy I was checking my car didn't even notice. It's pretty funny. But yeah, the hoses right here kind of give it away. But if you look at it, you can't really tell. That took some work as well. So I basically had to form these wings on the side that effectively cover up the nitrous jets that go into the side of the intake. Also added a extension on the back, and this is version 1.0. I might sand it down again, repaint it. Right now it has plastic dip on it. I did try to delete the emblem, but I ran into some issues with that. I might try again, later on if I decide to sand it down. Throw some more plastic on top and make it look a little cleaner, but for now it kind of works the way it is. So more about the the ADW7s here. So what I had to do in my cover is already an inch up, so I just kind of cut through here and gave it a little bit more room underneath there, and some more room over here and over here as well. So it'll go on. I use like some more hardware to increase the height of that cover, so it's like an inch clearance over the upper plenum. So I have all my hoses for nitrous ran underneath it, so you can't really tell. So overall, pretty good project. Catch cans are really nice. They're on sale currently. I think I got them out the door for like $321. The quality, and they feel pretty heavy duty. I took the bottom part apart, it screws off really nice. Feels like it's really tight. The bracket's very nice. The alternatives, you got admin tuning, where it replaces the reservoir, but it's about double the cost. And you got the God, I forget there's a Chinese company, can't remember the name of it, but their kit's more expensive. It does have a bracket, but if you look up their cans, they're the exact same cans as the ones that are being sold for like $20 on eBay all over the place. So I went with 8 EDW7s. They shipped out of California. I got them like 3 days, so I got them pretty quick. So overall, we'll see how the catch cans do. When I installed them, there was some oil in the line, so it's definitely going to help with keeping the air-fuel ratio clean. Getting oil contaminants in there could mess around when your air-fuel ratio and kind of screw you up if you're trying to have this consistent ETs at the track or whatever your goals are. Anyway, that's about it. Hope everyone has a happy new year. Take care. Bye.